The Defense Minister General Cholton Balok vowed to kill Nuer. He indicated on his message during the funeral of General Machar. He said that Nuer are here with us in Juba. We cannot look any further. If we fail to kill people in Nasr, we'll kill them here in Juba. The Defense Minister General Cholton Balok vowed to do that. He vowed. This shows that this fake regime government does not want Nuer in his government. These Nuer who are aligned with Kir Mayardit are simply being paid to kill the people. They don't do it for the love of the South Sudan. They do it just for the money that they're being paid for. NASA's strategic border hub with Ethiopia was seized on March 4 by the White Army, a militia key faction. It was not seized, but the Nuer inhabited the area. That area belonged to them. How could it be seized? They did not seize any. It belonged to them. This is where they live, Nasser their area. Though they link it up with the Machar, this is just a way of connecting doubt, to carry out the dirty plan to kill Nuer people. Well, this attack has heightened fear of renewed conflict between Kir and Machar, plus the White Army, whose forces fought the civil war from 2013 to 2018 that killed hundreds of thousands of Nuer. A fragile unified government formed under 2010 peace deal has been strengthened by recent violence. Kir administration has also arrested several of Machar associations in the capital Juba, further destabilizing the power-sharing agreement. Nasser has been a flashpoint since the White Army capture an SSPDF base there on March 4. So here is the reason why Kir is killing the Nuer. Like they say here, they say it's a retaliation, but it is not. This is a violence carried out by a tribal leader. This tribal leader called Kir Mayardit did it in 2013 and it is doing it again. Kir doesn't fit to lead South Sudan. Kir should be killed or should be removed by force. Even the young themselves know that Kir doesn't fit anymore. Kir should be removed from his seat. Kir should either kill or go back home and sit with his family. Because this is the turning point for Kir Mayardit. Though he's doing this to make sure that he installed Bull into the seat, because this is how a dictator, when a dictator finds that it's not healthy enough, he will put another criminal in this position. But first what he do, he has to start violent so that people will no longer focus on the government, they will focus on the fight. And this is what Kir is doing. And also Kir does not even trust his own soldiers, South Sudanese soldiers, this so-called SSPDF is using to kill Nuer. He showed it already by deploying Ugandan soldiers into the land of South Sudan. Even as we are speaking, there are Uganda in Juba that are protecting Kir Mayardit. I believe most of you have seen Mahozi post on Twitter, and also this was also discussed in the Uganda court of parliament. The Mahozi deployed force without the knowledge of the court or the parliament. He did it to protect the Kir Mayardit government. So Kir Mayardit has the nerve to start a war, knowing fully that he's going to deploy Ugandan force because he cannot handle what is happening here. He did it simply because he has a backup force, which is Ugandan force. Kir Mayardit Charongo Ganaba Karwaj. Kir Mayardit should go. Kir